Before brew, I really didn't like getting up so early in the morning, but now that I know I can make the perfect cup of coffee in my own kitchen, it makes it well worthwhile starting the day. Essentially, Brew is a fully modifiable coffee machine that gives you full control over your coffee making experience. But beyond that, it encourages you to improve on that perfect cup of coffee and keep experiencing new things. Knowing that you constantly discover new tastes, it tends to be more beautiful. When you go to a cafe, you're limited to what the barista thinks is the perfect coffee, which might be different from what you like. And this can limit you from discovering new flavours. My struggle with current domestic machines is their lack of control in the brewing process, which is vital for making that perfect cup of coffee. This lack of control is limiting my ability to get the full potential out of my coffee grinds. I often leave home feeling unfulfilled and empty. Brew respects your method of making and provides a platform that is innovative, accessible, and customizable. The most basic but crucial elements that affect your coffee extraction are the temperature, the pressure, the pre-infusion, and the shot duration. By making these elements the basis of your coffee recipe, you open the door to all kinds of possibilities. With Brew, we wanted to create a platform that accompanies 3 experiences. Number 1 is a streamlined application platform that enables you to create your own recipes. Number 2 is an espresso machine that can apply these recipes in a traditional, enjoyable, and intuitive manner. And thirdly, the entire platform is going to be open source. We're going to launch toolkits so that developers and makers can share their ideas with everyone else. With Brew, the entire process is simple. You create a recipe through the application, define the parameters, send the profile to the machine, and a confirmation will appear. Start grinding the beans, lock the portafilter, extract the coffee, and steam the milk. You've got yourself a perfect cup of joe. As soon as you start steaming the milk, the display of the extraction temperature will change to the milk temperature, and when it hits its maximum, the screen will go red. But let's say you've got a specific bean you'd like to try, the Colombian single origin. We're constantly working with coffee roasters to integrate our system with their coffee. We're asking them to show their customers how to get the best out of their coffee. With QR codes already well established and integrated in our application, you simply scan the QR code on the package with your phone and it will automatically give you a recipe for that bean. The machine itself is something we're really proud of. Going through many iterations, we've designed it to be as open as possible. We've kept it simple, but in the way that it's beautifully diverse and appealing to more than just a small crowd. The weight and construction is sturdy and rigid, extremely grippy, so it gives you that feeling you've always wanted when locking in a portafilter. Water filling is easily accessed through the front, and when you need to get inside to tweak, hack, or even just to clean the water tank, you'll find the door to open opportunities with the click of a button. The finish is what makes it stand out. Being anodized aluminium, it really brings the weight down and a whole lot more. The Brew platform is something we hope will appeal to coffee lovers and makers. Without cutting any pivotal features of traditional coffee making, we've expanded the experience to really create a more refined, intuitive, and improved espresso machine.